Well, good evening, good evening. I need to repop that. This is that little bag baby I got a couple of weeks back. Cattleya Manmoto, Volcano Queen. It's done really well, but it is so top heavy. I mean, I just barely bumped this plant and it wants to fall over. So I'm going to have to get out of that pot. I should have put in a bigger pot. And from the looks of it, it's going to be a nice aggressive grower too. So I've got a 6-inch pot. Got a piece of wire. I need to make a clip. People ask this all the time. I don't mind showing. I don't mind repeating things. This is the wire that I use. 12 gauge hanger wire. They sell this in the ceiling department, the acoustical ceiling drop ceiling. You know, to hang the ceiling grid from for acoustical ceilings. That's where this wire comes from. You won't normally find it in most of the hardware departments near the screws and nuts and bolts and stuff, or in the electrical department. It's because it's over in the section. It says this is from Home Depot, and this is from the acoustical ceilings department. The acoustical ceiling department. It's 12 gauge hanger wire. Let me make sure I'm going to turn it around so I can see a little bit. It's so hard to adjust this thing sometimes. Let's try that. Just real quick. Huh? That's all there is to it. This wire is so long it's actually in my way. That's why it's causing problems. Probably right about I said that wire is so long it's causing problems. It's flopping around, causing me issues. I'm gonna cut it off here just a second. Stop that from happening. There we go. Nice and tight. Want it more in the middle of the pot. It's a nice tight clip. Perfect. I'm going to put a piece of screen in the bottom of that pot. It helps to act as a snail deterrent. Still lets everything flow and everything come out of there, but it keeps snails from hiding out on the bottom of the pot. Let me untie this first. Just to show you how it's doing. Let me get this tied off so I don't damage any more of the roots. It wasn't in that pot very long. Sorry, I'm not talking a whole lot. It wasn't in that pot very long, so even though it has really good roots growing, I don't think it's causing any issues, or it's going to set it back in there. There's a radio on in the background, but it's going in and out. Sorry about that. I'm not talking a lot. I'm just out here working on things by myself, and it's kind of quiet. It's a perfect time to be doing it. Let the growth go this way. The plant's kind of opened up. I'm very talkative tonight, I'm sorry. I'm just concentrating. I was listening to the radio, but it's coming in and out so much, I'm not really paying attention to it much now. Again, this is not how I'm going to leave them. I'm just going to tie them up slightly like this. Until the roots get a little bit more anchored into the pot again. They're going to have to start again since I just disturbed them. But I'm not too worried about it. Here we go. Lots of room for growth to move forward, so I think that'll work real well. Put my name tag in it before I forget. And that one's good to go again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Have a great evening.